All right, you guys, I'm going to show you how to get some bars onto your bar graph once you have your data from your lab. So you're going to get that off of your data table here, and we're going to put that onto our chart or our graph. So what we're going to graph is the amount of water in the cup after you had done the lab. So this is the data after. And this was my lab that I did last week, where we took the paper towel out of the cup, or in some of the groups, we poured the water into the graduated cylinder and measured it. I know that the numbers were a little different. They were a little bit higher, but for purposes of just showing you how to do a graph, we're going to use these numbers right here. So if we recall, the name brand or school or a store-bought paper towel absorbed more water, therefore it left less water in the cup. And the school paper towel did not absorb as much water, therefore more water was left in the cup. So these are the numbers that we are going to graph. All right, 4 and 8. So down here we have our graph. This is the school. This is the one that's going to be 8. And then the name brand, or we'll say school or store-bought paper towel that had 4 milliliters left in the cup. Okay, so we're going to come up here and I'm going to click on Insert. I'm going to click on Drawing, New. We're going to create a shape. We want a rectangle. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm just going to draw a rectangle. I can always resize it once I get it onto the document. Save and close. Okay, before I move it, I want to pick the little wrap text box here. So the one in the middle. It's going to move some things. I also want to fix position on page. And there I am going to pop it right over school. So this shows us the school. And it was 8, so I'm going to just stretch it to be 8. Okay, so now for the one for the paper towel, I'm going to click out of the box. I don't want to see that blue border, so we want to get rid of that blue border. So we're going to click out of the box, click somewhere, there we go, somewhere off where there's just blank space. Insert, insert drawing, new. We're going to click box again, shape, rectangle. I know this one's a little bit smaller. We're going to click in the middle, wrap text, fix position on page, place it over here. We're going to size it down to 4. And voila. Move it up a little bit. Move it up again a little bit. Do the best you can. There we go. Okay. Oops. Close it. All right. Click off. Looks great. All right. There you go.